Welcome, participants. MMM Nigeria with Michael Ajayi. MMM Ideology by Michael Ajayi with email address michaeltony1234@gmail.com of MMM Guidance School, batch 166. Having introduced myself, I will begin by telling us the ideology of MMM. The world we live today is a world of inequality, inhuman, dishonest, and unkind. It is the world where those that work tirelessly are being rewarded with peanuts and the bankers live luxurious life. That is, we live in a world of slavery where some people are being rewarded below their efforts. You will all agree with me that the basis of commonwealth is work. Then I ask this question: why the bankers or stockbrokers live much better than the farmers? Are they working more than the farmers? Of course they are not. And it is to this inequality Ajayi Mavrodi tried to correct through a peer-to-peer giving ideology, which is MMM. The founder Ajayi Mavrodi created MMM to better this unfair financial system of the world, where the rich get richer and the poor become poorer. Having said the ideology, I'm sure you'll be wondering what then is MMM and how it works to correct the inequality which Ajayi Mavrodi saw in the world. Let me begin by simply saying MMM means Mavrodi Mundia Movement. It is global community of financial aid and donation exchange. That is, people aid each other financially and donate and extend their donation globally. It is not a business. No, let me correct that notion or take it away from your mind. MMM is never a business, neither is it a bank, investment, or a company. Rather, MMM is a community of people coming together to help each other willingly. Also, in MMM, there is no lender and debtors, as well as no master and slave relationship, meaning everyone in MMM are equal and everybody enjoy the same benefits. MMM is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donations directly to each other's account. With this, it means there is no single or central account where all participants are being paid into. In MMM, it takes minus or plus 30 days to be paid in MMM from the day you pledge to provide help. Meaning, the day you pledge to provide help, it takes 30 days before you will be paid, and at the end of the 30 days, you will get 30% of what you are giving as help. MMM is a willful donation where people give out their spare money as donation to get rid of financial system hardship. In a nutshell, MMM is an informal union of people that turn against the financial slavery that gave birth to financial difficulties in the whole world. Those who declare war against banks and decide to win the war, those are the people you found in MMM community. Having said this, and also having mentioned the name of the founder of this great community, I think it is ideal to quickly talk about the founder of this great community briefly. Sajima Brody is the founder of MMM Social Financial Community, and in as much as its life work, it's not the only one, meaning he is the founder and at the same time he is not the only one in the community. Sajima Brody is a mathematician that works as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. He founded a company that was one of the leading computer equipment distribution in Russia at some years back, and he was also a deputy in the Russian parliament. Having said little about him, it is therefore necessary at this junction to point out and bring to the limelight the rules and regulations that govern this great community called MMM. One of the rules that govern MMM is participants are not to have more than one personal account. That is, the personal account, which is the personal office, which is your account, you are not allowed to have more than one. Participants are not to create fake accounts for referral bonuses. Of course, you should not go to the extent of you creating fake account just to enjoy referral bonuses. Do not edit your banking details less than 15 days before you get help, unless you will be put on moratorium for 14 days. Also, it is always wrong for participants to register with wrong phone number or banking details. Why? Because the moment you register and you pledge to provide them, once you are being pledged, it is ideal that communication is being done between you, the person you are giving the help to, and the person that will give you help. Also, participants are enjoined to always use correct details. That is, at the stage of registration, make sure your details are correct. Participants are to provide help according to their abilities. That is, you give help according to what you can give. Do not pledge to provide help without having the money with you. That is, if you don't have money with you, don't go and provide help. Do not abuse the manager. Another rule is that participants are not allowed to upload fake proof of payment. Once you are caught doing this, I bet you will be blocked. Also, do not delay in paying your donation. Do not hack into people's accounts. If you are bad with this rule, you will enjoy MMM community. But if you go against this rule, the penalty of this rule, of breaking this rule, is total block from the community. Having said that, let me now quickly point out the benefit of MMM. One of the benefits is when signing in a participant, they are granted with the bonus from $20 to $100. $20 will be credited to you for contributing $50 to $499. $50 for contributing $500 to $2,999, and $100 for contributing $3,000 upward. What this simply means is, if you are signing in newly, you will be given $20 registration bonus, which is $20 if you are starting with $50 to $449, $50 for contributing $500 to $2,999, and $100 for contributing $3,000 upward. Participants are credited with referral bonus of 10% from the amount of contribution made by each new member you invited to the system. Meaning, if you invite people in, you will be granted 10% of whatsoever that person is giving as help. Guider bonus plus 5%, 3%, 1%, 0.5% of the help amount the downlines provide. They are multi-level bonuses. that is 5% from first level, downlines 3% for second level, and so on and so forth. Bonus for the video in a letter of happiness is 5% or 2% of the amount of help gotten. 5% if the face of the participant shows in the video, and 3% if it doesn't. Another benefit is that the community member should understand that MMM regulation defend the interests of the participants in order to ensure steady work and stable payment, meaning your activities are being well defended in MMM community. In MMM, money is redistributed among the community members only. Being honest is the main priority for the community because MMM was created not to get richer but to make financial relations between people fairer. For every help provided, you get credited with Mavro. This Mavro will be equated to the amount of the help provided, and it grows every day for the next 30 days. Having said all this, it is therefore necessary to state that MMM not only giving help, also engage in various programs. MMM has always been there holding various charity programs, helping the needy, distribution of material items such as food, clothing, etc. for free to the less privileged. This has been done in various countries. Having said all this, it is therefore necessary to state at this point that if you are convinced, join us and let us change the world together, for that is the only way to be financially free. Once again, I am Michael Ajayi. Although a participant presently, I am in my guider school to become a guider in MMM. Thank you for listening to this wonderful seminar, and I hope you've learned from the ideology of MMM. Thank you and remain blessed. Together, we can change the world through MMM.